హాయ్ ఎప్పటి నుంచో అందరూ చాలా ఇంట్రెస్ట్గా క్యూరియాసిటీతో వెయిట్ చేస్తున్న సినిమా. సో అనగానే తెలుగు లెటర్స్తో ఎంత బాగా స్టార్ట్ అయింది అని అనిపిస్తుంది కదా. సినిమా కూడా అంతే నిండుగా అంతే ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్తో మనల్ని అలరించబోతుంది అని ట్రైలర్స్ చూస్తుంటేనే అర్థమవుతుంది. సో త్రివిక్రమ్ గారి మ్యాజిక్ మరొక డిఫరెంట్ వేలో మనకు కనిపించబోతుంది. మరి ఆ మ్యాజిక్లో కొత్తదనం ఏంటంటే అనుపమ పరమేశ్వరన్ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ అవ్వడం. సో అనుపమ పరమేశ్వరన్ మూవీ గురించి ఏం చెప్పబోతున్నారో తన మాటల్లోనే విందామా. హాయ్ అనుపమ.
Hi.
హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
I'm really good.
ఎస్, రియల్లీ గుడ్. బికాజ్ నాకు ఎందుకు ఒక టీనేజ్ అమ్మాయిని చూసిన ఫీలింగ్ వస్తుంది. నాకు టీనేజ్ గర్ల్.
Yeah, obviously, I'm just 20.
సూపర్. సో హౌ వాజ్ ప్రేమం?
Premam is a lot of fun. It's 1 year now after Premam.
బట్ మాకు ఇప్పుడే ప్రేమం వస్తుంది. బికాజ్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైం ఒక డిఫరెంట్ అండ్ ఇన్నోసెంట్ అండ్ క్యూట్ గర్ల్ని చూస్తున్న ఒక ఫ్రెష్ ఫీల్ అనమాట. ఒక ఫ్రెష్ హీరోయిన్ వస్తుంది తెలుగు సినిమా ఇండస్ట్రీకి అనిపిస్తుంది మాకు. సో హౌస్ యువర్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్?
For
Yes.
right. It happened all of a sudden, and it was like the name suggests, it's like the beginning letters of my career in film industry, I guess. It's like first lesson.
Yes.
Kind of thing. It was a teaching process, no? Trivikram sir and everybody there, they provided me a lot of knowledge, and not lot of knowledge, they gave me a lot of things which I can carry throughout my life.
సో వాట్స్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్
Yeah, as I said, for me, it is the first chapter maybe in Telugu industry.
ఫర్ యూ ఓన్లీ. బట్ ఇన్ స్టోరీ?
In story, it's a love story, obviously. It's Anasuya Ramalingam versus Anand Vihari.
Yes.
So it's a movie that is revolving around both of them, and also many characters, including the one I play, and a lot of good characters.
సో హౌ డిడ్ యూ గెట్ దిస్ ఆపర్చునిటీ? నాగవల్లి, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Even I am confused about it, because I used to ask Trivikram sir, how did he find Nagavalli inside Mary? Because it's completely different characters.
Yes.
So he saw the movie Premam, and I got a call from him regarding this.
అండ్ స్పెషల్లీ త్రివిక్రమ్ గారు ఏదో ఒక కొత్త ఫేస్ని, ఒక కొత్త హీరోయిన్, ఒక కొత్త క్యారెక్టర్ని ప్రతి సినిమాలో కూడా ఎవరో ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. సో వీఆర్ ఈగర్లీ వెయిటింగ్, ఎవరు వస్తున్నారు నెక్స్ట్, ఒక న్యూ ఫేస్, ఒక ఫ్రెష్ ఫేస్ మాకు ఎవరు వస్తున్నారు అంటే దెన్. సో అనుపమ చాలా ఫ్రెష్గా అండ్ చాలా ఇన్నోసెంట్ గా ఒక తెలుగు ట్రెడిషనల్ అమ్మాయి ఇలానే ఉంటుందా అన్నది ఆలో అనుపమ చూస్తే అర్థమవుతుంది. సో ఎలా ఉంది హైదరాబాద్, ఎలా ఉంది తెలుగు, ఎలా ఉంది?
Yeah, I like Hyderabad really now. See, I've been here. See, our shooting, it's about 6 months. So alternately, I've been here for long. So I like the place and the people, the way they respect us, and everything is fine here.
ఓకే. అబౌట్ తెలుగు?
About Telugu is like completely was an alien language to me, because I'm not used to with Telugu much. But now I can understand a bit, and I started loving the way you pronounce the words, the dialect and all. So it's a quite interesting language and bit similar to Malayalam.
సో మాకు ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ థింగ్ ఏంటంటే ఫస్ట్ మూవీలోనే తెలుగు నేర్చేసుకొని మ్యాక్సిమం అంటే 50-60% ఆఫ్ ద తెలుగు నేర్చుకొని డబ్బింగ్ వరకు వెళ్ళింది అనుపమ అంటే సమ్ అమేజింగ్ థింగ్ అండ్ షాకింగ్ థింగ్. సీరియస్లీ ఈజ్ ద ఫస్ట్ హీరోయిన్ I think so.
No, I am zero in Telugu. Maybe 1.0
ప్రకారం హీరో ఆఫ్ తెలుగు.
No, I don't know much in Telugu, but it was Trivikram sir. Like, he only gave me the confidence. You can do it. You do it. Every time he say, "Amma, you will rock it. Go do it." So just that words only just inspired me to do it.
Okay.
He was there with me during the dubbing.
Okay.
It
So
helped me a lot.
first day తెలుగు లాంగ్వేజ్ ప్రాబ్లం
Yeah,
అండ్
sure.
కొత్త డైరెక్టర్ అండ్ కొత్త ఆర్టిస్టులు ఇక్కడ మీకు. సో ఎలా అనిపించింది ఫస్ట్ డే షూటింగ్, న్యూ లాంగ్వేజ్, న్యూ పర్సన్స్, అసలు కంప్లీట్లీ ఒక డిఫరెంట్ అండ్ నర్వస్నెస్ అనేది ఉంటుంది కదా. సో
Oh, obviously, but I met Trivikram sir in Chennai first. So I met the person, and I was so much impressed about the character, his character mainly. He was so humble. So I was so much impressed, and in my heart it was like, I should never leave this movie. I should never let these people go away from me and all. So he gave me some grooming to the character, so to become Nagavalli, and they were the assistant directors and the associates. So they were helping me throughout the character transformation. And after that only, I went for the shooting. So I knew everybody. I had people to say hi, hello. So it was
Namaste.
nothing. Yeah, namaste. There were people asking me, how are you,
Yes.
ma? And all. So it happened so easily. No fear, nothing.
ఓకే సో వాట్ అబౌట్ యూ క్యారెక్టరైజేషన్ నాగవల్లి అండ్ మాకైతే ట్రైలర్స్లోనే చాలా షేడ్స్ అండ్ వేరియేషన్స్ కనిపిస్తూ ఉన్నాయి లైక్ చంద్రముఖి అండ్ వెరీ ట్రెడిషనల్గా ఇన్ని వేరియేషన్సా అనిపిస్తుంది.
Nagavali, I don't think I am the correct person to define Nagavali. Even I am doubtful about Nagavali.
We are confident. We are confident. No
It's
doubt
like
at all.
it's Trivikram sir's view of the thing, you know. He want all that native touch in the character. He used to tell me, I want Nagavali to be correct, a Telugu girl.
Actually, he made the
pure-
character.
Yeah, obviously they have done a lot of trials in the get-up and makeup and the power that character should have. So he had a correct view about it. So that's how he developed the character and my get-up also. It helped me so much to get into the character. So it's a kind of, what you say, a loud kind of character. I don't know how I don't know how it is. Even I'm excited to watch it.
ఓ సో అబౌట్ నితిన్ గారు అండ్ చాలా మంది హ్యూజ్ సీనియర్ ప్యాడింగ్ సీనియర్ కాస్టింగ్ ఉంది ఇన్ సో వాళ్ళతో ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎలా ఉండింది విచ్ ఇస్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ ఆర్టిస్ట్?
Yeah, I was so excited when he was telling me, narrating me the characters and the people who play it. Obviously Nitin, Samantha and people like Nadia ma'am and Ananya from Kerala and Rao Ramesh sir and even Natti sir. He is a good actor, brilliant cinematographer. So I was so excited, and to meet them itself, I felt like I should be really lucky to meet them. I should be really lucky to be a part of the movie. Everybody, I had most of the combinations with Nitin, Samantha and Rao Ramesh sir. These people, I think more than the combination with Nitin, I enjoyed with Rao Ramesh sir. He's a brilliant actor.
Yes.
I just have to look into his eyes so the emotions come out automatically. Yeah.
Okay.
It was fun.
సో తెలుగు ఫస్ట్ మూవీ తెలుగు ఆడియన్స్కి మీరు చాలా కొత్తగా డిఫరెంట్గా అండ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్గా కూడా కనిపించాలి అండ్ అట్ ది సేమ్ టైం నటి గారు దాన్ని బ్యూటిఫుల్ అండ్ ఫ్యాబులస్ జాబ్.
Yeah.
సో చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా అండ్ చాలా ట్రెడిషనల్ ఇందాక మనం అనుకుంటున్నట్టు ట్రెడిషనల్ బికాస్ యువర్ ఇన్ దట్ వే ఇన్
in the movie.
సో ఫస్ట్ అండ్ ఇంట్రొడక్షన్ సీన్ స్పెషల్లీ యువర్ లుకింగ్ అమేజింగ్ అండ్ నటి గారికి ఇందాక మీరు చెప్పినట్లు చాలా బిగ్ థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పాలి.
Yeah, surely. He have been very conscious.
Yes.
Even Trivikram sir also, he was very conscious how my change should be. I should wear this jasmine or not. Everything he had an idea. Nati sir also, he was with lot of lights and I studied some words like baby light and all that thing from him.
Yes.
I used to go near them and ask, what does baby mean? Then they say it's light. So with lot of light,
Yes.
they used to, it's their credit only. I don't think I look far beautiful than I am because of their work there.
Yes. So what about Chandramukhi? Her hair, loose hair and all things. A special twist ఏంటి మాకు?
No, I am not gonna say that. I'm not gonna say that. I think you guys should go and watch how it is and why is Nagavali reacting so.
And the dialogue was amazing, you know. And Samantha name use చేశారు like Surpunaka, Samantha, Ravanasurudu, Pawan Kalyan. That's interesting dialogue.
That's actually, it has various dimensions for the
Yes.
dialogue. So it's very much related to the content of the story. So even I didn't understand the meaning first. I had to ask them. There were a lot of people answering my questions in a different way.
Yes.
So finally I got the answer from Trivikram sir for that, and I'm not going to say that. You guys watch.
So how was Samantha in shoot time and all?
Sam, she is obviously very cute and what to
Bubbly.
say? No, we feel like pinching her cheeks,
Yes,
you know, when I
yes,
see
yes.
her, like cuddling her and all. First day I saw her, I was like, oh my god, I'm about to fall. So obviously she's very supportive in it. She say
Yes.
she used to help me by telling what to do, what not, what how should you favor the camera and all. So as a co-actress, she has been kind of 100% support to me.
So Trivikram garu in Telugu film industry one of the top director and Nitin one of the top hero and Samantha top heroine. So ఎలా అనిపించింది వర్క్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ వాళ్ళతో వర్క్ చేయటం?
I was a bit afraid because I don't know, it's a new place. And new language and how people will accept. But this set and the people there, they consider me as a family. Actually, I used to ask the director and even Anand Garu sitting here, I used to ask him, like, when are you calling me? You call me Simli. I'm ready to come and give tea at least. I'm ready to supply tea. Call me there. So I was enjoying the thing. I do really miss it even now. So that is the, when going to set means for me, I remember and all that things happened there.
సో ఫస్ట్ మూవీలోనే ఇంత తెలుగు నేర్చుకోవాలని ఎందుకు అనిపించింది? ఐ మీన్ లైక్ తెలుగు డబ్ చెప్పేదాకా ఇన్
I never expected that they will be calling for me. They tried with some other voice, I think, but he wanted my voice to be there. Maybe this hard tone. He wanted that for that character.
సో ఎవరు మీ టీచర్, త్రివిక్రమ్ గారు ఆర్ నితిన్ ఇన్ తెలుగు?
Teacher in Telugu. Exactly telling, Trivikram sir used to explain me things and all, but my first groomer was Ravi Kiran sir, the script behind it, and Anand Garu, he used to come into the caravan and he tell me what is happening, Nagavali, this is happening, this is happening. Everybody, including my assistants and the people who were the mess people and the costumers, everybody have helped me a lot in one or the other way in getting some words.
Okay.
Understanding me? Yeah, I remember days when they were sitting in the caravan, they were telling, this is not the pronunciation, say like this during makeup.
Okay. So which is the best dialogues in Telugu?
Telugu. Obviously, I like that Ravana-Sruti, that dialogue so much because people accepted it well.
Yes.
Everybody.
And especially Pawan Kalyan name.
Yeah, I'm very thankful to him also for that, that name. So people from Kerala also started imitating the dialogue and calling me and telling me this dialogue. So feeling so funny about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So and especially songs.
Awesome songs.
సో మికీ గారు దన్ ఫ్యాబులస్
job.
చాలా ప్లెజెంట్, కూల్ అండ్ ఒక
Different kind of emotions in the song. One is celebrating song, one is a kind of melodic celebration, and one is a sad thing.
సో విచ్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ సాంగ్?
Illipuga Shamala. Actually, I was in the shoot of the song. No.
Why?
No, I don't know. I mean,
You have
Telugu
very
is bad.
sweet voice now.
No. I'll sing some other day. Surely, I'll sing for you,
Man.
but not now.
Okay.
So that's my favorite song. Even I felt sad. I felt guilty about the song. No, they were
We'll
emotions.
Some other time.
Yeah, some other time I'll sing for you.
Okay. So any typical situation to handle some dialogue, some scenes, in some your characterization?
Every time I hear dialogue, I start shivering. Today dialogue is there? Is there any dialogue?
Sweating.
Yeah, I'll be full of tension and I'll be having stomach pain, headache and everything because I'm so tensed.
Headache?
Yeah.
స్కూల్కి వెళ్ళాలంటే లైక్ పిల్లలు మమ్మీ స్టమక్ పెయిన్, హెడ్ పెయిన్ అన్నట్టు.
Yeah, my mother used to tease me, if you had studied like this in your exams, you would have been a doctor or an engineer or something because
Nice.
I'm not used to it by hearting thing. So I started by hearting.
You are very lucky because school days ఎవరికి మళ్ళీ బ్యాక్ రావు, బట్
Again learning the
Yes,
dialogues. So I'm totally tensed, but there were in occasions where I spell the dialogues in a different way and people start laughing there. Yeah, like that. Everybody, for Nadia ma'am also, she was telling me that it was tough, a bit tough. I need to learn, but anyway.
ఓకే. సో ఓవరాల్గా త్రివిక్రమ్ గారితో వర్క్ చేయటం ఎలా అనిపించింది? ఆయన ఏమంటారు లైక్ మాటల మంత్రికులు అని మేము చాలా ముద్దుగా పిలుచుకుంటూ ఉంటాం. అని పంచ్ డైలాగ్స్ అండ్ సెంటిమెంట్ డైలాగ్స్, ఎమోషనల్ డైలాగ్స్ అండ్ ప్రతి డైలాగు చాలా హార్ట్కి టచ్ అయ్యే డైలాగ్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో ఆన్ లొకేషన్ కూడా ఆయన చాలా ఫన్నీగా ఉంటారు కాబట్టి మీకు ఎలా అనిపించింది ఆయనతో వర్క్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్?
Yeah, working with Trivikram sir, obviously everyone know how he is in the professional part. More than the professional part, obviously he's intelligent. He's an intelligent person, and sometimes I call him encyclopedia. Whatever I ask, he'll be having a question.
Right word,
Encyclopedia. That's a perfect word I can give him. Everything, whatever we ask, he have a correct answer about that.
Super.
So he's such a great person, and he's so simple and humble. We can find him coming up with a slipper, a small t-shirt, and like casual guy, he'll be there. He's so light. Sometimes I see him here and immediately he'll be flying there, walking so fast. So he is, he is sometimes like a friend. Sometimes we can solve any problem, if we have something even personal problem or anything if we are uncomfortable with something, he'll find it immediately. That is where I think there should be a special kind of what others feel. So if a person can understand that, it's a great thing only.
yes.
So apart from a director, he's a very good human being whom I admire a lot. Everybody who speak with him for 10 minutes, surely they'll start admiring him.
Yes. Some inspiring.
Yeah, some very inspiring. He will show us what to do
Yes.
and what he is meaning and all that thing. So I don't know, he's absolutely a Guruji. He is one of the biggest teachers in my life. And with Nati sir, obviously he was a lot of fun, you know. He was sneezing every time with cold and all, but even then he'll be working fully focused. With his eyes he will be viewing everyone like camera only. And Nitin was so cooperative. I had some mistakes in the
Handsome
dialogues.
hero.
Yeah, handsome hero, obviously. I used to feel jealous sometimes, you know.
Jealous?
Yeah.
Why? Because?
No, he is so handsome and I'm standing beside him. Oh God, what people will think. Okay, so like that. And Sam, she's so cute and she's like a sister
Yes,
kind of
yes.
approach. Rao Ramesh sir, whom I had conversation.
Ajay Garu. And
Yeah, everyone. Ajay Garu, my brother. So
what was that?
Amor Katinanoi.
Amor Kati.
Amor Katinanoi. That thing.
You are the Amor Kati, right?
Yeah, I'm the Amor Kati.
In personal life?
In personal life, I think I'm
A
like
pin.
I think like that.
Amor Kati or pin?
Hairpin.
Hairpin.
It's hairpin. It is. Yeah, I thought like it would be something very dangerous.
కదా జనరల్ గా అయితే హెయిర్ పిన్ ని సినిమాలో మాత్రం అమ్మోరు కత్తి బి కేర్ఫుల్ ఓకే
So I'm very proud to be a part of the movie. Actually, everybody in the set, no, they were so helping. I got a lot of friends from there. That is it. People from some 70 age to small kids and all. No, everybody I interacted with them.
యూ లుకింగ్ లైక్ దట్
Oh, is that? Thank you so much.
ఓకే
So it was one of the I can never forget Nagavalli. I think people also will remember the character so much because everybody have put that much heart into the character, especially Trivikram sir. So I am looking up to it with a lot of hope. I don't know how it is. I hope everybody will accept it also.
ఓకే అండ్ స్పెషల్లీ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ సో లాంగ్వేజ్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉన్నప్పటికీను అండ్ ఒక పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ ఓరియంటెడ్ హీరోయిన్గా మొదటి సినిమాతోనే నాగవల్లి క్యారెక్టర్కి అండ్ అనుపమకి ట్రైలర్స్లోనే ఇంత నేమ్ రావటం అన్నది చాలా రేర్ థింగ్ బట్ యూ గెట్ ఇట్
I'm not a very I'm just a beginner. I don't know how far I've reached in acting and all, but it's merely luck that brought me here. So if I've done something, it's because of the space they provided to me, because of the freedom I have to improvise there. So if you were afraid of something, we can't do anything, but I was not afraid of anyone there. I was so much in love with everyone.
నైస్ సో నైస్ టు సీ యూ అండ్ ఎస్పెషలీ
Yeah.
తెలుగు సినిమా మీకు చాలా మంచి బ్రేక్ అవ్వాలి. మాకు ఇలాగే చాలా చాలా ఫిలిమ్స్లో అనుపమ ఒక చంద్రముఖిగా, ఒక నాగవల్లిగా, ఒక అమ్మోరి కత్తిగా,
You will make me Nagamalli finally, I think.
అండ్ ఒక బ్యూటిఫుల్ హీరోయిన్గా అన్ని వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ వాంట్ అన్ని టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్యారెక్టర్స్లో కనిపించాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్
Thank you
అండ్
so
ఆల్ ద
much.
వెరీ బెస్ట్.
Thank you very much.